Hi, I'm Stephen Neshiba, and I'm here to help you out with electron configurations of transition metals. And it will help when you do this if you get out a periodic table so you can follow along. I've drawn up an energy level diagram for you. Here's 1s orbitals, 2s, the second shell, third shell, and so forth. And Aufbau is the process of filling up those orbitals with electrons. So the hydrogen atom's got one electron, and we indicated that way. Helium's got two electrons, so we indicated that way. Now the nomenclature goes, there's a 1s orbital with 2 electrons in it as a superscript. Now the rule is that you can't put more than 2 electrons in an orbital, so when we go up to lithium, which is element number 3, we build on a filled first shell and then put an electron into the 2s orbital, like that. Now as you proceed off to the right on the periodic table, you will be just filling in more electrons, okay? Just like that, until we get up to element number 10, that's neon. Filled first shell, filled second shell we'll designate as neon. So then when we get up to the third shell, that's sodium, we build up on a filled neon type configuration, and then another electron in the 3s orbital. And then we just carry on to the right in the periodic table, just like this. Okay, until we get up to argon. Argon is element number 18. And it's got that electron configuration. Okay, you might think that the next electron to go in is would be the 3d, but it isn't, because the 4s orbital is a little bit lower in energy than that one. So when we get up to potassium, we build on argon and put a single electron into a 4s orbital. That's fine. And now potassium is element number 18. I'm just going to skip 2 more off to the right to scandium. Scandium has 21 electrons. So I'm going to put 1 there, and there's the 21st right there. Okay, so we say that the electron configuration of scandium is built on argon 4s2 3d1. That's all fine, I hope. And here's one last little trick about transition metals. When they form a cation, what they do is they lose the s electrons first. So if I want to form the electron configuration of scandium 2+, what I do is I say, okay, you stay, but you 2 electrons go away. All right? Therefore, the electron configuration of scandium 2+ is argon, followed by a 3d electron. And all the other transition metal cations work in pretty much the same way.